Yeah. I don't think.
What would you call it? Meat matter.
Okay, key down. Interesting. So yeah, there's currently an error where it doesn't
It's
check
still
the.
called JVS character loading panel.
Okay, yeah. So the issue that we have now that we found there is of course down to how what's it called?
I know what you mean.
The entity doesn't get removed once
Oh,
you
yeah,
leave.
yeah.
So I need to
It does
also
look like a
attach the
panel.
entity to the player as well, and then get it to delete itself when the player leaves. Yep. Okay. Possible.
That's definitely a planet. From just looking at it, it's definitely a planet.
Yeah, it looks like a planet, but I'm not sure what where that's coming from.
Like, what would meat be called? Instead of just being meat, like, it's just a bit weird having just meat in the ocean.
Well, it's a ooh, that actually looks pretty nice under source water.
What am I gonna call it?
I mean, I'm not too sure about the diffraction, which is on it.
What can I call meat instead of just meat? Like plant matter's called plants are called
Meat
plant
chunks,
matter.
surely.
Meat chunk. Oh wait, what did Sion recommend yesterday? He said something that I liked it. Meatlets.
Meatlets. I thought that was a joke.
I don't know. It works.
Yeah, I mean it does work. Yeah. Oh, I just realised I'm in a bunch of there's an around Discord there. Okay. Is this the?
It's not an actual word though.
Not an actual word.
Chunks.
Yeah.
Meat
So
chunks.
okay.
Meat chunks.
Cool. Okay.
I'll show meat chunks or chunks of meat. Meat chunks.
Content. So content we haven't filled yet. So weapons. I don't think we're going to use weapons, so that might not be needed for now. Food meat. Let's have a look to see how you've
Is
done.
it going to be like an adaptation where, because I know it's like a PvP style where you can shoot out like a poison cloud. It's like a squid has ink, but they have poison.
Okay, you're using math. I don't see why you're using math.random and then you're, for example, you're literally storing it as a variable before setting it. Oh, so you don't have you defined this in shared? Okay, so you have. Okay, I mean you don't really need to set the amount because it's. I mean, I suppose if you are looking to set the model scale, maybe.
Yeah, that's what I'm going with.
Okay.
Because I'm going to change it from amount to like quantity.
No, you just use amount. Keep it that. And then you want to make it so that
you
want to in probably a think function, or actually what's it? There's a thing where you can look.
Yeah, there's a function called like on player touch or something.
No,
I know what...
no. Network var notify. That's what I'm talking about.
What's this for?
It's so that you can detect when something changes.
Oh. So what's that going to be for?
I'll put it in here.
Right.
So function and
where are you putting it?
Amount.
Oh, you put it in a thingy.
Because basically what we can do here is we can so we've got name, we've got old, new. We don't really need that.
And
I think we're just going to have the amount will just scale up with the food model. We can probably use the bug bait model is what I'm thinking to begin with.
Yes, that's what I was going to use that, yes.
Okay,
and
yeah.
I might colour the bug bait, what's it called, green for...
Yeah, until we have a... So this should be...
No, I would prefer the bug bait for the meat chunks because it looks a bit like actual meat chunks. Like
it does,
you would imagine
though,
that what it would
we want
look
to get
like.
Hulk to do it.
Make like a little better of an improved one, if you get what I mean. And maybe have a skin instead of like the skin for like what's it called?
Change. Okay. Because basically why I'm doing this is I can set the model scale.
I wonder what the game raft is.
New. And let's have it. How long should the model scale have? Like, how long should it be over? Let's do 0.5 now, maybe.
Oh. Oh yeah, I want to do that.
Okay.
You ruined it. You ruined it. I was just thinking of, are you doing that in a think hook?
No. I'm doing
Oh,
it.
in initialize.
No. I'm doing it on a mount change.
Oh, right.
So this
okay.
means that basically when it's changed, this function then gets run. So this means that the size is only being changed when it is being set.
Okay.
So there's no need to do if statements or anything like this.
Alright, okay.
And so literally just think of it as, you can kind of think of it like a hook being added into a function. It allows me to, when it's being set, it allows me to do extra things at the same time.
Yeah.
So like how we've, in the oxygen thing, if you look at how I've set the oxygen, I've set it, I've set aside, and then I've done some extra stuff in there. Think of it as when you set it, that you can then add extra code to the set function. For example, in Robot Boy's lightsabers, this is used when the force is set to basically make it so that if it is less than what it used to be, don't basically add a timer to the regen so that it takes 4 seconds for it to stop regenerating. And so this will just basically mean it will scale down or scale up to its new size over time. Did I push that? No, I haven't. Adding food. Adding food. Scaling.
Yeah, I'm just gonna undo my whole changes in it.lua. What files have you edited? Just init?
Yeah, just shared.
Oh, shared as well.
Yeah, I mean it could. I've only done shared. I don't think I touched. Oh no, I did touch. In it. Let me fix that. I made a mistake in it. Moving old food.
Just undo you then. Or what did I call it? Base.
Wait, why am I doing that? Commit to master. Push to origin.
Or what did I call it before?
There you go. Added remove old food variable. Okay. So what I think is what should happen is that when you bump into it, when I was thinking more, it should be. I was thinking of a trace or something. So when you press left click, it checks to see if something's within range, and then it quote unquote attacks it. So if it is viewed as food, so anything which is food probably should be based off of just food. So you might want to create a base food or something. Because what I'm going to go with is, if anything in its class is food to begin with, it is classed as food, and therefore it will attempt to reduce the amount by 1 and increase your food. And then it will just reduce the food by 1, decrease the size, and then you can do that again. So there's probably also going to be a hotbar, I'm thinking, of different abilities. So you've got standard eat. Yeah, then there'll be things probably. There might even be like a chameleon kind of system of like cloak. I'm not really sure too much at this moment in time. Okay.
I get what you mean.
I think the stream name is probably very wrong for this.
Yeah, it's JVS. I did say that before when you started, because I got the notification. I said, "You realise it's JVS, right?"
Okay, let me
you were
change that now
concentrating,
then.
so you didn't respond.
Okay, yeah, I didn't realise.
Oh, don't go out on me now.
Yeah, I see what you mean. Turn to echoes. How do I edit the edit video? There you go. Edit video, change name. Natural selection. Creation. Okay. This now should have been changed.
think I need to restart my PC.
Oh, okay.
Because there's a stuck file in natural selection. It's like stuck in there, like, and it won't like fix itself. So let me
Okay.
just delete. Oh, wait, no, not
Which
really.
one of these do I need?
Oh no, let's see again. I might not need to actually.
Okay, I think it's seen to.
I do not need.
Yeah, there you go. This is what I need. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
I'm
stopped
just
to reboot.
thinking.
I'll be right back.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Oh, you're gonna. Yeah, you're gonna. Okay.
It's because like the shared.lua, I deleted it, but I did a change to it, so it's not updating. So I have to delete it on next reboot because it's like stuck and it won't let me do it. It's being
Okay.
stupid. So I'll be right back.
Yeah, that seems fairly broken. And I don't know why I had that loading screen. Or why that is staying there. Okay, so it seems very laggy, but I think that's just my frames. So something is definitely affecting my frames. Where is this one? This is not the voice I need. Okay, guys, mod. Add-ons. It is actually probably this. What is this? Is this just random stuff? Cool. Let's just do the normal of put. Oh, great, because it's got Gamemode open. Great. There you go. That's more like it. Move that in. And then move that in. And then nothing in there should get loaded. Cool. Hi. Wait, what? Ragdoll solve? That's not a function I've seen before. Oh, nice. So it's used in the basically the attempt at VR Gmod. Okay. So I've got about 20 frames. Okay, not too bad. That's still quite bad. So something is killing my frames, but what? Okay, I'm gonna have a bunch of these now, aren't I? Fuck. Okay, so yeah, have I fixed? I don't remember if this has been fixed.
Not their attempt at VR, but their attempt at Kinect. Well, it did Kinect.
It's their attempt at, in my opinion, it's the attempt at VR. It may not actually be, it's not their actual thing, but who cares enough? It's their attempt at VR. I'm still not liking that too much. Okay, so now we're gonna need to probably start working on getting the food in. So should I go with the method that I was going with the plus attack? draw a trace to see if you're within, let's say, X amount of the food, then eat it. Anthony? Okay, that's what I'm going to do.
I'm talking downstairs, by the way. I'm actually... So I can't really...
So in attack, then if okay, and it's at a 0.5, yeah, 0.5 second cooldown on there. This is in it, so this is serve side, cool. So we now need to do a util trace, don't we?
I'm back.
Cool.
Wait, hold on. It's on the lock screen, by the way. I was looking from the lock screen, so I restarted.
Okay.
Yep.
Dude, that seems interesting.
Yeah. Can I do food?
Forms a trace attack. Okay.
So, so how are you doing food?
Food. So when you left click, I was thinking left click. So same as with attacking.
So will your mouse be shown all the time? Or do you just have to be looking at it and then you left click?
Well, it's where your mouth is. So it's where it's basically going to be where the front of your thing is.
Okay.
Which I imagine it should be fairly easy once the actual model is in.
So like if your eye trace, if you're
not eye trace, because eye trace is that's going to be where that's basically what we're using to do the rotation.
Oh.
That's actually what the eye trace is. It's going to be using either trace line.
I was just thinking of where you just line. Where you just swim into it and then it freezes you for like a second or two while you're eating it. Like...
Possibly. I'm not really sure.
Like that sounds like a better idea.
It might though.
More individuality.
I'm liking my method. it's to me this is what it should be. Is because again I'm basing it off of very much off Spore. So
yeah.
At least that's what I'm basing this section. Actually, in general, it's a multiplayer Spore. So so to me, it's very much.
Once you've done the meat, I'll do plants.
You'll do plants. Okay, yeah. I mean, I'm just, as I said, I'm going to be using just the trace of it. Okay, so filter, I want play and self. Okay, so if tr.hit is I think the right thing? Yeah, hit.
I could just skip. No. Right.
Yeah, hit. Okay, so if hit. Did I do it? Oh yeah, that's the util of that. So.
What can I do now? I remember that you said we have to do something. That like it was along the lines of like the oxygen and all that, but it was something else. It was something else, but it wasn't oxygen. It was something to do with like that kind of system.
Was it
temperature, pH?
Was it it was their food, wasn't it?
Yeah, I've done that though.
No, like food, not.
No, I mean like it was another shared file, like one of those.
So have you done hunger?
Yeah.
And food?
I've not done food, no.
There you go, that's what I'm saying. You haven't done food.
Cool.
Food is...
What am I doing for food then?
Food is basically level, so...
What do you mean?
It's basically the level, so you're going to have their food level, and then their current... So think of it like level and XP.
Okay.
So XP is just a. I mean, it depends on how we do XP, because one method is we just keep adding it up onto XP, and I'm gonna mute my mic.
God, that was like. Well, I can't. It was very strong before you muted your mic. You muted it.
Yeah, actually, I might keep it then if it's not too bad. Okay, so
If you
if
can't, shut the door between.
actually, I can't. There's bags and stuff in the way at the moment. Okay, so if so local ent equal tr dot entity. Okay, so if ent.
You were explaining food before you got rudely into it.
So is it find in string? String dot find. Yeah, so you've got, it's going to be like level and XP. So you've got in some level formulas they have it so that when you go up a level, you minus the XP gets set back to 0, and then in others, the XP doesn't get set back to 0, and it's just a constant thing up. So if the XP gets set back to 0, usually it's viewed as a harder leveling up system.
So, for example, say I had 10 food. I have 10 food, and for example, I need 15. So, once I get that 5 more food to get 15 food in total, my hunger goes down by 1.
I'm trying to do something. Get class food underscore. Okay, this probably isn't the best method of doing it. So if that, then
Also, did I do that apply stats correctly?
what was that?
Did I do hunger correctly with the apply.stats?
I haven't actually checked yet.
I don't need to define it anymore, I don't think.
Okay, so I set an amount. Okay, so I set amount.
I'm pushing anything.
Get amount. -1. Okay, so you've added a update.
Yeah, added the food.
I just realised I'm doing this in the wrong file. I probably should just move it over. Okay. So now ent set amount that so yeah, you haven't set no, you've your syncing is wrong as well. You didn't look at how I know I messed up syncing. I never finished that. Net dot right double okay, yeah, I think all of your files are wrong because you messed up the syncing section.
What, sorry?
You've messed up syncing.
I have.
And your sync hunger is very wrong.
What?
I'll redo sync hunger for you.
Okay. And then I'll do food.
Oh wait, how wait? Sync hunger. I don't think actually we need to sync hunger.
Well, you said we didn't, then you went, oh wait, we do.
I'm all thinking, do we... Wait. Because it depends if we want people which are out of the round to be able to see how much hunger you have. That's what it depends on.
Alright.
So, do we want people which aren't in which
Oh,
which
right, okay.
which are
No, we
dead.
don't need that, do we?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Do they need to be able to see how much health or how much hunger you have?
No, unless you want it like be displayed on the tab menu.
No, because I think that'd be a bit unfair.
True.
It's kind of like, yeah, how would they know that stuff? So that's how that's going in my opinion. Okay, so I've removed syncing then. I'm gonna commit to master, and I'm probably gonna need to and removing syncing for hunger. Okay. Also look to see the changes that I did to oxygen. Because you're going to need to do that for the rest of them as well. Because I imagine pH is wrong as well.
So I did do the apply dot stats correctly. No, I didn't. I just realised I didn't.
No, because it's local player, and
yeah.
You have, and also get hunger is just player meta. As well, it's not just get hunger; it's player meta get hunger.
So that means it will be self.stat.
Yeah, self.stats.
And also, please, if you're editing it, I don't want to edit it while you're editing it.
Well, I'm editing it, but I'm fine with not.
Oh yeah, I'll edit it right now because I need to change apply.stats in receive to PL because I just realised.
Okay, and then how much will food increase your hunger by? Or will it just be by 1?
How much does food increase your hunger by?
Yeah.
So, wait. So, is your hunger how hungry you are or how full of food you are?
Hunger is... so hunger is basically just a thing to make it so that you can starve of death. So
basically... Okay, so it's like the Minecraft one.
Yeah, like hunger is in... When I'm hungry, I need to eat.
Well,
Food is your kind of... Just think of food as levels.
Yeah.
And hunger as...
no, I think you got that the other way around. Food is XP and hunger is levels.
No, hunger isn't levels. Hunger is a mechanic which you need to keep up, or otherwise you'll die.
Okay, so for example, at the beginning of the game, you, for example, need like 5 food to gain some hunger.
Well, not hunger, to lose some hunger, like to get some to like get less hungry. You need to
get
eat.
nourished, basically.
Yeah, nourishment. There you go.
Yeah.
Or nutrition.
Okay, so this is
play.
So and then as for example, to get nourished a bit more, you might need like 10. Or is it just going to be a solid amount for the whole?
Well, it's going to be. I'm probably going to do. It's just going to be every. I'm saying probably. I think 5 seconds is too much. I'm probably going to go with every 10 seconds. It goes down by 0.5 or something.
Yeah. Also, I'm thinking that if you'll be able to get like an adaptation for an efficient digestive tract, so you like the amount of time the time you lose hunger, for example, instead of 10 seconds, it might be every 20 seconds.
Oh, yeah,
you lose the same
probably
amount.
There's going to be we also need to do the whole. Let me put a comment in here as well then. Check to see if how do I spell carnivore?
So is food just going to be like the literal same? Oh wait, yeah. So you should get like you should get a random adaptation to either be a carnivore, a herbivore, and then
yeah, probably you're going to start off. They're going to be randomized ones. I mean, eventually you will of course be able to choose if you're carnivore.
Is food just going to be the same layout as hunger? Well, it's all over the place.
No, food is something. Food is always going to be added when you. So basically, food and hunger are added at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
But food is just kind of. It's like
No, I
How
mean
much?
like the actual like file on how it works.
Uh, very similar. Apart from there's
Well,
probably going to be, there might be two stats. I'm thinking. So you've got.
you can look at it. So I'm just about to do it now. I'm
Okay, cool.
just about to commit the change for it.
Yeah, I'm going to update the base cell. So
Push. Pushing.
adding hunger to base cell. Thank
You're
you.
gonna have to fetch before you commit.
Yep. I mean, nah, committing is fine. It's pushing where the
Oh yeah,
issue
that's what I
is.
meant. That's
So I
what I
need
meant.
to pull then push it even after I've committed though.
Well,
It's there now.
I'm just used to saying that because I know sometimes I mostly use the online editor.
Okay, there you go.
Let me
Some push.
fetch.
Oh, this has been
Fetching.
updated. If you want to, yeah, sure. Let's see. Yeah, yeah. You no play ply in so service client side in net.receive ply is a nil value, or does pl
Oh,
it's a nil value because there is no server meta table.
should I do local player
Yeah, you
then?
want to use local player because we're
So
not
that right.
also actually because of that you don't want to broadcast it, you want to do send to self, so send open bracket
Yeah.
self.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, I'm
For
gonna
both of them.
have you set the model of.
It's still a cube, but I'm about to get the bug bait model.
Okay, cool, because I'm gonna write some I'm just gonna add some generalized
Fixed food and hunger, stageable, committal.
yeah, I'm just gonna add a bit of code which will just randomly dot them
Changes pushed.
around the map for now.
Okay, so
Yeah.
stages, it's just been pushed then.
Yeah,
Let
I
me
got
get my
that.
bug bait model. And are you finished with food meat? Are you finished with the meat?
Well, I haven't edited it, I don't think.
Well, no, you like the amount changed or all that.
No, because the amount change and stuff. Yeah, I finished with that.
So you finished with all. You're finished with the meat density.
I believe so.
Okay, because that means I can then copy it and do plan.
I mean, we probably want to add type to it, so that you've got meat and you've got also.
So like make a network var for type.
Not really. You don't need to do a network file. You can just have a variable store on it.
Okay.
That
So
works
add
as well.
self dot
Yeah,
type
not
is equal
type. I think
to
type's already a value argument. Do you like
self dot
food type
food
or
type.
something?
Yeah.
That'd work.
Capital T for type, by the way, because I
Okay.
did that.
Yep, that's alright.
Should it be a string?
You don't need to define the type, but yeah, probably a
Well,
string.
you just said to define the type, didn't you?
You don't need to. I was saying that I think type is already defined.
Oh no, I meant like the food type. Should I do it as a
Yep.
string?
Yeah, go with a string just to have plant. There probably should be either meat, or plant.
Okay, so for meat, it is get this meat, and then for plant, when I do
Oh yeah,
it,
we also need to add DNA points in, don't we?
I'll do that. Don't worry.
That's
Don't
the one
you
we were
worry.
forgetting.
Yes. Oh god, yeah, that was the shared file I needed to do as well.
Yeah.
Well, I was like, I knew we were missing something. Like, I went, I don't think food is the right one that I'm supposed to be doing.
Yeah, I mean, food is
I
one.
just felt
Anyway,
like,
Harry is talking to me. Let me turn off the.
oh yeah, you probably want to unmute your mic on the stream now.
Oh no, I've already unmuted it.
All right. I don't know if you remembered. Single player, flat breakfast.
Okay,
So
do you want to
you
reload
know,
it?
I'm thinking of setting the model to be for the meat.
Just use a bug bait or something.
No, but do you want to know what I was thinking of doing? It's like a joke.
Yeah, sure.
A baby.
Baby.
Why not?
Well, playing some game modes before, where I've had killer babies. Yeah, I have a strange
Understandable.
thing of let's not go with a baby.
But yeah, we'll need an actual meat model because it's got like the bug bait has.
Yeah. Okay.
Really.
I just
Yeah.
add that to the list of I'll add that to the document of models needed.
Yep. Okay. Bug bait being done. I'm thinking for the plant matter to do a chunk of watermelon because that's like the placeholder model.
Yeah, placeholder. Have as many placeholder models as possible because I mean, we literally have 2 months, literally from today, so
Yes,
we've got plenty of time for models to be made. So just go with as much temporary. I mean, you've got the basic framework of it is pretty much done.
It is, isn't it? Like we're gonna finish the game mode before like it's actually done.
Well, I mean, we need to add in the genetic modification, which I think is probably going to be the hardest thing.
The adaptations?
Yeah, the adaptations, just making it so that we have, because there's probably going to be lots of them.
Oh yeah, we should have like a little like table. You know how you do your like you know how you do what's it called?
My weapons and stuff.
Yeah, weapons where you do local table equals table and just do all that stuff and register weapon or register item.
Register weapon, register item, register force power, register form, things like
that. Register life.
Probably just register adaptations is probably what it's going to be. Okay.
Melon chunk is being the plant matter model.
Okay, cool.
By the way, can you try not to do any commit yet? Because my atom will freak out again.
Yep, sure, no problem.
A bit stupid. I'll tell you when you can. It will be when I next do my commit.
Yeah, I mean I'm not doing anything at the moment.
4 and 8.
That needs to be refreshed.
4 and 9. So I've changed the amount to 4 and 9. It's gonna be different. For
okay, cool.
It's gonna be less nutritious. Sorry, vegetables aren't good in this.
That's a bit dimmish.
Yeah, but like, you don't get like protein from what's it called? Plant.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah.
You get protein from nuts.
Yeah, but I mean like vegetables and all that.
You get it's plant. We haven't specifically specified if it's nuts or anything. So.
Well, currently it looks like a watermelon.
Watermelons have seeds. Seeds have a bit of protein in them, do they not?
Yeah, but I normally pick out the seed, so.
Oh, okay. You're one of those types of people.
Yeah. I don't want to choke him, okay?
Player dot entity is equal to ent. Oh, I just realised I announced that one.
Doing a commit right now. Added food. Added meat model and type. And added plant matter. Commit. Pushing.
Okay.
Pushed right about now. Wait, for the Discord notification.
Got it straight away.
Okay, let me switch over to the natural selection. I might get Hubert to make us like a nice little logo, like for the actual banner of the game mode and like the little icon 16.
Yeah, that might be nice.
I might get. Well, it'll need to be like right now. I was just debating by myself just to do the words natural selection in Comic Sans.
Oh, do it in Rainbow Comic Sans.
Rainbow Comic Sans. Yes. Oh, I've got script errors. Oh, that's just deployment. Never mind.
Yeah, you're getting script errors, are you?
Oh no, it's something I have.
Yeah. Okay. That's like all.
Track index a null entity on that deployment.
Yeah. Yeah. I think I do need to fix the whole thing of when you're not pressing W. And I think it should accelerate faster, and then when you're not pressing, accelerate or back, it should just go back down. The movement should just go back down to 0.
Yeah, like slowly slow down, like it's pushing it.
Yeah.
Wait. Then try again.
Okay.
That worked.
Harry's finally stopped talking to me, so.
Yeah, I can focus. Stop talking to me. Yeah, I can focus.
I can focus and also go back to scene 2. So local food. I probably should just put food in a. No, I don't need to put food in a table. I can just get all food. Yeah, local food is equal to int.create. It's food underscore meat for now, isn't it?
Yes.
Meat.
Okay, I can't move. I can't move.
Can you?
The player, no. Also, I just realized I can't spawn the entity.
So?
I want to make sure it works.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah, I currently can't move.
Okay, maybe I haven't.
Is it because it's a single player game?
I doubt it. Maybe I haven't pushed something.
But all file changes should be pushed.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So.
And I literally just fetched.
Okay,
So.
actually, I could use a. No, I don't want to use a random vector for now. I want to keep it all on my.
Let me try and put it into a 2-player game.
Okay. Can you send me the model?
The model for.
The bug bait model.
Oh, why are you setting the food meat?
Just for when it gets spawned and stuff. I like to have the model there as well.
Oh right. Well, if you check in the food meat, it's in it.
Yeah, but I don't want to. I don't want to have to do that. I want to remain where I am. Okay, thanks. Okay, thanks. So let's do this 1 to, let's say, 100 for now. So there's probably going to be lots of it, but that's not too bad.
No, I can't move. You want to see if you can move?
I can move.
I can't. Okay, so you can't see.
Pearl.
Yeah, you've definitely forgot something somewhere. Forgot to commit something.
I'm not sure because mine works.
Yeah, but like, did you? Well, you're not working out of your Gamemode folder, aren't you? Are you?
I'm pretty sure I am.
Well, I don't think the commits are coming from your.
Yeah, it is.
Folder.
It's everything in this is what it should be. And this was just pulled from the GitHub. So adding test food spawning. I can't spell meat. Meat. There you go. Okay, so commit to master. Push to origin. There you go. Thank you, notification. Copy. Okay. Combat. What's combat? I have no idea what combat is. Steam games, Steam apps, common, Games mod, game modes, natural selection. Replace all of these and reload. Yeah, let's see if this lets me, because I mean I could have.
I'll be right back.
Yep. Okay. Wait, no. Oh, I know what I've done. It's in the shared file. Here it is. There you go. So now. Okay, so that one just vanished. They seem very tiny. I think I'm going to need a mins and a max. Oh, okay, so we start working that then. So that's in that one. I do need to go to here and edit this one in here. That's the issue. And let's not push that. See, now I can't move, so that's successfully updated. Sup. Might be easy just to draw the trace on it first. I'm not sure exactly where the... Yeah, why not? Let's draw the... Let's put the thing on there. Is there a debug trace? What's a debug trace? So I know that's a thing, but what is it? Yeah, debug.trace. Debug.trace. Oh. Cool. Definitely not what I need. Not self. Is it render.drawbeam? Okay, there you go. I probably should turn off notifications. Number width, let's just go with 20 for now. Let's just start 0. I don't really care what the texture is. Color 5 and that's that material color. Ah. Yep, that's a bit of a problem. So currently there's a very nice trace going there. That's really big. Okay. Cool. Anthony, if you're there, your mic is muted, by the way.
I know.
Really? TD-Lib is apparently really helpful for GUI. Ah. Yeah, I mean, I think the guy which made TD-Lib won't be too happy with that, with my opinion of TD-Lib, but I find it's useless.
Oh, sorry?
TD-Lib.
TD-Lib. What
Yeah.
about it? What else? What? What?
Huh?
What did you say about TD-Lib?
Oh yeah, I think it's useless.
Oh yeah, I didn't use it anymore. I used it like once and I went, and then I looked at the code and went, this is easy to do.
Yeah, I mean, I did tell you it was easy to do. Okay, so what I'm thinking is, I think you press Q, and I'm thinking that's going to be,
It's like a stats page.
no, that's where the DNA, that's where you can spend DNA points and stuff.
Oh, so it sounds like Play Ink. Because you actually press Q to open the shop.
Do you? I just press the bottom at the, I just press the button at the bottom. David sending messages is very annoying. They just keep popping up at the side of my screen.
Mute them then. Mute Wolfos.
Yeah, but that's effort.
You right click it and click server mute.
Okay, so this should be hitting these baits very well, but it doesn't seem to be. Maybe I've messed up my max and my mins or something. Trace hole, that's probably what I should be
Right,
using.
I'll do the what's it called by the way? I'll do the
I'm doing
DNA
trace
point
line, not trace
actual
hole.
system now.
That might explain it.
I feel like the same as Hunger with DNA points, like in stats as well.
Eh?
Doesn't matter. DNA points. By the way, in the stats table for the player,
Yeah.
should I put DNA or just DNA point?
Up to you.
I'll put DNA.
Because you
It's just easy, and plus it's logical.
Okay, now it should be using a hole trace, so now it should actually
I
make.
swear you've mentioned them before. I don't know what on.
What a hole trace is?
Yep.
Possibly because of the main reason of lag with most savers.
I think that's it.
Yeah, that's usually if I know
Okay,
about
what did you
something,
commit?
it's sabers and something wrong with them.
You want
I
to
don't,
check that, but
I
it should
don't
be
think
good.
I've commit something in a while, but
You committed 12 minutes ago. I did test foods. Pushing, by the way. When it's done.
yeah, I did
Where
test
did you
food
put, where
fine.
did you even put the forming in?
Huh?
Just in the entity?
What am I trying to call?
No, where did you put test foods forming? Where did
Test
you
food
put that?
spawning. It's under player spawn.
Oh, is it in it?
Yeah, it's in it.
Yeah.
And eventually it'll be put into round spawn. So like
Well, yeah.
once the round starts. Come on, eat,
Like you said before, this
eat, people.
eat people. Can you actually eat people?
Eat. I'm not getting any eats. Nothing.
No eats on nose.
Yeah,
No
no eats.
No eats.
Nothing.
Sorry, we're unavailable. We have no eats.
And it's designed to miss player and self. Nothing. So it should be hitting these food. I might try and go down to really slow movement and see if I can then hit it maybe. Okay, so if I oh yeah, I need to. I don't need that. I just need that. Okay, so what's the collision group with the food?
It's normal.
Okay. Okay. So I did update this to trace.hole, right? Yeah. Did I copy and paste it over? I don't remember. Okay, I did get a hit there at one point. But how is that not hitting? Let's set the filter just to be self. that shouldn't be a problem, but I'll try it anyway. Oh wait, I'm not updating these, am I? Yeah, so now 9. Do you have an entity like that? Yeah, so no, so this.
Yeah, I still can't move, by the way.
I did push the update.
I've not restarted my game though.
Yeah, the update is that in the shared.
Wait, you pushed it? When was this? Was that added test? Wait, when did you put that?
I don't think I explained when I pushed it. I just added it as other things, and it was just a minor thing that I added, so I didn't say.
Oh right, so I like.
Basically, it's at the end ship speed to 0, which means that no matter what your speed is, it's been times by 0, which of course gets you 0, so your position never changes.
Oh right, okay.
So
Script errors.
no, do I get script errors?
I got script errors.
Okay.
Food meat init.lua line 10, by the way.
Mine my meat is there, so I'm assuming mine is fine.
Line 10. On my side.
Can I draw a box?
Line 10 is fizz wake.
Can I draw boxes? Okay,
Yeah. Also, I still can't move.
Yeah, my choice does not seem to be working at all. Oh, what did you send me?
Yeah, I still can't move.
Okay. And I'm trying to fix this whole trace, and I'm not sure what's wrong with that. Which I think is the main issue. I mean, it looks like it should be fine. Let's just try add 100 to all of these. Literally going off 200, it shouldn't be an issue at all. Do I need to do that?
Oh my god. That girl is stupid. Basically, I'm in this chat. There's an American in here. Someone wanted something, and they said, this American girl said, "And why didn't you get it?" And I'm like, "Because it's £20." And the guy went, "Because it's £20." He went, I asked for how much it was, not the weight. I'm just slowly cringing.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. So, I can't actually tell what's wrong with mine. This is a bit depressing.
There's almost been 40 commit in one day. Wait, is it because I have pack installed?
Doubt it.
Let's uninstall it, because maybe. You know,
Uh,
you never know.
it's very unlikely. I mean, I've taken out everything. I have. I mean, I doubt it's pack because that'd be stupid.
Let me see if I have any other ones, which I shouldn't.
It means that pack is interfering with something.
Nope, I literally don't have anything else now. Just do a reload legacy advanced pounds.
Okay. Hang on, let me load up my advanced force power system and just copy the trace from there. Because this is just not working and I'm not understanding why.
There are the null physics object thing. Yep, still can't move.
Okay, then it's definitely something on your side that's wrong, not mine.
I don't know what could be wrong, that's the thing. It's literally the latest.
Okay, so this is using trace lines.
Am I supposed to do a game restart?
Try that, sure.
Yeah, my mouse is going everywhere.
Where is what I'm looking for? Here it is. Okay, so let's try this now. So local pause is equal to self get angle. No, get pause.
It might be the error I have for tried to use a null physics object food meat.
Isn't that down to either an error or something?
Yeah, but that's like the only error. Blue, so I believe it's the other side of the recall part. I'm on what's it called? I'm on construct. So it's line 10, which means it's the self.phys wait.
Down to an error then. So something else is something your side is causing an issue, not my side.
Have you not got that? Have you not got that error on line 10?
No, I don't get any errors. So
Quite the odd.
strange to hear.
Should I put it on the server?
Yeah, mine worked fine.
Put it on the server, see if that makes a difference.
I mean, I don't think it would.
Yeah, neither do I, but you never know.
I mean, it could be because shared and stuff. 49.
Yeah, I need to update it as well, don't I? Because Gmod update. I think.
Yeah, that might cause some issues. Ooh, Vector Expected got user data.
Log in and run this. Gary's mod server. Natural selection. Right now, rename. This one. Yeah. Just make sure there's nothing in the other ones, one and that. Yeah. 4, 6, 4. This one. Update 4020.
52. How do you expect to get user data? What? Is it forward or is it get forward? Let's try get forward. Considering the other one isn't working, so. Get forward in nil value, so it's forward.
He's an actual selection. Delete and then remove the project.
Okay, maybe a trace might not work. I might give up on using trace. I might use an end dot box instead.
P one first feature selection. Then put it here. 7 12.
This just is not finding the food. You set the collision group to none.
Yeah, which is the default one.
Is it?
Yeah, that's what it says on the wiki. Not joking. The wiki's always correct.
Oh yeah, tell me to all those render functions which work.
What are you saying? It's perfect. The wiki's perfect. I mean, the old one better. In my opinion, got more examples. See if I can move. I cannot move. I cannot move. I've still got that one where it's like, try to use a null physics object. Line 10 of food meat. It's your game mode star!
It works my side, so I don't know what you've done to it.
I've not done anything. I just literally downloaded it and then put it in. Well, okay, so that's the one error. I have that error, and I can't find file in weapons file shared. Somehow. I don't know why that's an error.
That doesn't seem like something I caused.
It's line 10. In it .lua line 30. So right, this is my error. I'm gonna send you there. Send you there. David's reporting me for speed hacking to Valve to use speed reading. So if I want to read like a massive document, I just paste it all in and like sit there.
That's your code.
Is it? Line 10?
In food_meat.
Yeah.
You directly copied my code, didn't you?
No, it's collision group none.
Basically what's happening is it's trying to... Oh... Hang on a minute.
The story unfolds.
You're right. You're right. That is causing issues.
Aha!
Because the world model has no collisions.
Yeah, Bugbait. I didn't think Bugbait had a collision group.
Yeah, you're right. It doesn't.
How did you not get that, to be honest? I don't know how you did not get that error.
I didn't notice it.
Oh, it's like, oh yeah, because you had all the other add-ons which caused errors.
No, they don't cause errors anymore. That might explain why my trace was never working.
Oh my god! That is what.
Oh,
wow.
great! And I made an error.
Anthony did something correct.
No, you don't, because it's our fault that the bug waits that model to begin with. So,
what should the model be then? Should we make it the baby like we said before?
I mean, if this...
Like Unless you want me to like draft up a model or like find one.
Wait, no, this seems like it is the right model.
Wait. I've got an idea. Right.
No, this
Hold
is the
on.
right model.
Hold on. You know how you can get gifts?
Yeah?
Yeah, use one of those. Like I don't know.
No, I'm pretty sure the model is the right thing. It's the
Let me spawn the bug mate model.
yeah, because I can walk into it and stuff. So.
Oh yes.
Oh, I see. No, I see what you've done.
What?
You've never set the collision. You've never set any of that stuff.
Oh god.
You did a direct copy from mine where I'm doing physics positioning.
Yeah, I did say that I used yours for a base just to make sure I did stuff right.
Okay, I'm gonna update it because basically you haven't. So what I can do is can I do physics from mesh? Physics from mesh. Can I do physics from model?
Yeah.
I think you can do that. I don't like dealing with physics. I usually just do boxes. But it might be. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I mean, I'll
now
just
I've
use
got another error. In base cell line 42, key down. And nil value.
That's down to an issue with player spawning and stuff. The player not being defined or something like that.
Yeah, that's because I'm not on the server.
Yeah, there you go. That's exactly the reason it doesn't get removed yet.
Okay.
It will eventually though. So there you go. This might have fixed my entire bloody issue.
Wow.
And I just load this up in the wrong one. Let me just copy that over. This will also mean that cell is wrong as well. Is it cell? No, not cell. Plant matter is wrong as well. Yeah, okay. Oh, turns out, no, I haven't actually committed the changes yet.
I knew you hadn't! I knew I was... Where? It's not here. I'm like looking at it. It's like...
Fixing meat. And I about to wrote ship there. Cell movement. There you go.
Props underscore skybox. What's this? A massive to flash over.
Should be getting committed now.
Ooh, let's put this in the skybox. This one's fun.
I know, I think I need to.
Well, you know on construct, where's the skybox?
Okay, more talking to me.
Ooh.
Yeah. Ooh, what's this? Is very.
Send in natural selection.
He'll probably cry at the code.
How dare you insult our code? Why would he cry at the code?
Probably
it's
because
not in Java.
Yeah, it's not in Java, and we're not using WebSockets, and he's literally he's discovered that he doesn't need to do certain things. He doesn't.
Is he like obsessed with them now?
No, so he discovered a method which is better than BromSocket.
Ooh.
Well, kind of better. Because it requires BromSocket so that he can. I mean, he doesn't actually require BromSocket anymore. He can just have a login page kind of thing, but it's better to have BromSocket. There you go. That now works. I was thinking the size of them was wrong as well. So like now that they're like that. Oh yeah, look at.
You've not committed the changes. How dare you?
Okay, actually, wait, no. It's... Oh, wait, no, they're moving. They move now. Yeah, they fall down to the ground now. They shouldn't.
Does they have physics?
8, get hunger, a nil value. How have you fucked up get hunger?
I knew. I told you to check it.
Yeah, I thought I fixed it.
Oh
no, I never modified there.
What did I miss? What?
You've got to attach the player meta table to them. I'm just going to go through all of these and check
them. Did I? No. Oh god, I did.
Yeah, you really have.
Yeah, I just realised that.
I'm just going to go through
Put it
all
in
of them.
self. Just put self on it.
Yeah, I do know.
Pulling to commit.
Also, what happens if stats is a nil value?
What?
Local player stats is never defined. So what happens when
I asked that as well.
you've never defined local stats?
I think it's wrong because I've not defined it anywhere.
Okay.
I did say that.
Put it in the HUD paint.
Put it in hard paint.
I'm not joking. Put it in HUD paint and just have a variable to check to see if it's been called before.
Let me. Are you going to be committing anything soon?
Yes.
Okay. Wait. Don't commit it then.
No.
Wait.
You.
Yeah.
I'm writing a lot of stuff. I'm overwriting loads of things.
Don't do it yet. Okay. Wait for the push to happen. Okay. It's not even done though. I didn't even add the stuff.
Okay.
Don't wait. Still don't do it.
I'm just verifying that everything's right.
Hood paint. Not NS hood. Sounds like a script. Function. And then local player dot stats is start. And stats is equal to is equal to stats or okay, so that should fix it.
These actually look a bit like sea urchins.
Oh, what does the bug bait?
Yeah, the bug bait.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? But that would be like a nice thing. Like that could be like that's what we could call them eat. Like it's just sea urchins.
The issue is that sea urchins are on the ground and these are
Pushing. Well, they're also on ships.
yeah, but we don't have ships, so
It's just being pushed.
oh, they become so diddy.
Okay, so that should be defining it. Local player dot stats is equal to stats or.
Oh, that becomes so tiny.
What does? Have you set it to like 1 or something, or like 0.1?
0.
Oh, 0.
Yeah, I do need.
Does it not remove itself?
No, they don't at the moment. And I can constantly get food off them. Because I don't.
Unlimited food.
Yeah.
That would be a pretty bad bug. Like that shouldn't stay in the final version.
Really? I thought it should stay in the. I thought it should stay in the final version.
Yeah, because we'll definitely gain points for that, won't we?
Yeah, I mean it's meant to be. It's not meant to be. It's not meant to be bug free at all or anything.
What's bug free?
New equals 0.
What does bug free mean?
Then self remove. There you go.
How to ruin a game mode competition?
Have more on your team.
Yes, I was about to say, let more enter.
Yeah, I mean he was very tempted.
We would have all just like sat in a corner and cried if he entered. Like we have no chance. There's no point of entering. But like most people don't know about more, so they'll be like, oh, he's just another like.
You probably, I mean, considering the fact he's literally had articles written about him, so
like articles on what? So.
On his game modes and stuff, like.
No, I mean like on what? Like this website.
No, like on. I'm trying to think of there was like a really big website where it's like actual games are posted there, like.
Is it like Game Banana or something?
I don't remember what it was now.
Wait, what was it called? Was it something on the line of Divinity?
It probably. I think it was Divinity 2. Okay, I'm pushing. I probably need to pull, don't I? Pull.
Actually, can't wait for sunrise to be up.
Yeah.
I'll be like.
Yeah.
Get script hook. I swear.
No, script hook is not going to help you at all.
Like, no, because most of it's going to be server and Java.
No, Like,
Boing.
there is probably going to be about... I'm estimating less than 50 lines of code server-side.
And then everything's in Java and maybe client.
Java and client, because most of the communication isn't even between Java and server, it's between Java and client.
Yeah.
Like,
Okay,
that's...
so...
Like, literally, the Gmod server is... He doesn't need it. I mean, he hasn't needed a server. Probably he hasn't really needed a server in a long time. He's just
For 18 years, this man has not needed a server. But due to a recent revelation, he needs one. Oh my god!
what?
What's this? What's this beam I have? And why is the bug bait so big? And I can move. Thank God.
Yeah, just ignore the beam. The beam was a testing thing to make sure the traces were
That's
working.
a nice dynamic effect.
Oh, what, you like how it scales down?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very simple. Oh, yep.
Why
And
is it's just like it looks like it's attached to me. Oh yeah, it all just falls to the ground.
Yeah, because you copied half my code, but not the rest of it.
Yeah.
Basically, you want to set it so that there's no motion.
But then they just go back. But then they just go back to normal size and then just sit there.
No, they should get removed.
So I have to. Oh, I have to actually be looking at them, like with my crosshair and all that.
Not your crosshair.
No, like I have. Like for this, I have. It with
Yeah,
my
like
crosshair.
it's not like an AOE around you. It's where I expect your mouth will probably be.
Maybe not like maybe it has to be a bit closer than the whole beam.
Oh yeah, I mean at the moment it's currently on 100, because I was testing the base scale. So literally the size of the beam.
Also, I'm a little bit triggered how I've made it so they move.
Yeah, you just need to disable motion on them.
I'll do that.
Because yeah, literally they fall to the ground at the moment, so it's very much.
I've still got attempt to index field stats.
Yep.
I did it in.
Let me have a look at the HUD.
Look at the HUD. I think it's local player.stats is equal to stats, or
No, you're idiot.
or is it should be is equal to local player.stat.
I mean, I still get it as well. This is 27, so in hunger. Okay, I'll have a look.
What? How fix it?
Yeah, fine.
How do you fix I?
27 self.stats. Okay.
Yeah, look at the forward.
Okay. I say just go through every single file and just in the or the stats and stuff where you've got the net.receive. Just go with if local player dot not like if there's no stats, then like so if local player dot stats not blah blah blah, then just basically create it. Just put that in all the oxygen, the
Wait, what? Sorry, do what? Sorry.
So in all those shared files.
Yeah.
Apart from probably temperature, pH, and oxygen. So
I just opened all of them. Okay.
yeah. So how
right,
did I fix food? I don't remember how I fixed. Okay, I haven't fixed.
You didn't fix food, but I fixed it on my side, so don't worry.
Yeah, fix food for you. Oh, you fix food for me.
And
so basically
what do I do?
around line 20 in most of these.
Or 21 in some cases.
Yeah, 21 and stuff. Go in and just basically put on around line 20, 21-ish. If not local player, or if not local player dot stats, then local player dot stats equal to table.
So if not local,
Basically, if it's not defined, just define it. That's what it is. Should be.
So if not local player dot stats, then local player dot stats is equal to blah 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 blah.
Just a table.
Yeah, dot stats is equal to. Do I put the stats or the little squiggly brackets, or
no, just because it's not defined, so there's no point doing an or. Because
so can I remove it out of HUD paint then?
Yeah, remove it out of HUD paint.
Okay, it has been added, and I'll start doing the HUD after this.
Okay.
It,
you can also remove the trace now as well.
yeah, I'll do that now.
Yeah. I think probably next thing we need to work on is. Yeah, I mean you've got currently the collision is massive. On these, like you probably want to change the collision size on it so that it doesn't. Like it probably should be based off of mesh.
God, this is a long commit thing. I like being descriptive with my commits.
Yeah.
Where do I put? Where does no motion go? So enable motion false.
Enable motion false. Yeah, should be.
In the initialize on it. You have to tell me where to put this. Enable motion false.
Okay. Should. So if new is.
Where did you put the trace? Like the actual horrible bar thing?
That's in one of the CL inits. Okay. I'm changing a file in.
Draw beam. Yeah, I'm about to.
Yeah. Food _meat shed.lower.
Don't wait. What are you doing in that?
I'm replacing the if new equal to zero.
Oh, right.
Then
okay, let me just do my commit.
Yeah, but I can send you. Hang on, let me send it to you. So.
Move team.
I'm literally just doing that instead.
Okay. Right. So just replace the equals with a greater than sign.
No, and also change the 0 to a 1.
Alright. And then stage all, commit to master, push. Pushing! I didn't push. Now I'm pushing. 3, 1. It is. Okay. I'm gonna keep doing it on a server just to make sure it works. Can I remove the dev prints from init.lua and base cell, please?
Those dev prints? Oh yeah, I forgot about those dev prints. No. Yeah, you can.
Okay. Oh wait, no, the fixed and no fixed replaced if needed. Hold on, if needed. I forgot to save it, so pushing it again. I forgot to save the replacing of if new. It's just about to be pushed. And then in init.lua, I'm just gonna remove sup, hit, boost.
Yeah. They're just random prints I had.
It's all. Also, check to see if carnivorous. That should be like if.
Like if they're carnivorous, can they eat the meat? Can they eat meat? Can they eat? Yeah. Like that's the type. Like you remember we defined what type is in it, the food.
Yes.
So if they're carnivorous, can they eat meat?
Yeah, but I mean like getting if they are carnivorous, then we get it with ply.stats. Like I know what we would call it.
Not we're probably just gonna have a can eat function. So you actually send over the type and then.
Okay, and then it goes through their stats or something.
Not a list. It's probably going to be something. Actually, it'll probably be something like this, where you've got like local.
Remove.
I'm going to put in general. With food types.
Pushing another one. And we're removing difference.
Then like.
Just saying.
I can't spell carnivore, so I'm just going to have it this way.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. You get the gist.
Oh, I have to go for my meeting soon.
I keep writing meta instead of meat.
Can they eat meta? Who knows?
I hope not.
I guess so.
It was going to be something like that. So all you need to do is.
And then omnivore means both of them is true.
Yeah, so like you literally just do like get.
Yeah, I know what you mean. So that will be in. I don't know.
It might actually.
SH can.
Yeah, it might actually be easier to do it the other way, so it's meat and then the types can eat it. Maybe.
Wait, would that be? It would be
that would
client.
that would reduce code actually. Having food type. I mean, actually, we could make it client. Because if we make the trace client, we can make
no,
it.
it isn't. It's model.
Because we probably what we want to have it is so that when you are looking at food and you can do it, it will pop up saying left click to eat or something.
Yeah, that would be nice. So do you want it to be in client then?
So you probably actually you want the table to be shared.
Oh wait, no, wait. How about I'm gonna put it as shared. I'm gonna put like the can eat function as shared. What about if they just don't look at the warning saying you can't eat this, you're a carnivore? If they do it, they should like lose food or like lose hunger or like get disease.
They're probably gonna throw up and lose food.
Yeah.
So throw up, lose food, and also lose some hunger.
Yeah, because like I said, your digestive tract is not suited for this because we have an appendix for one of the grass. Which is useless when you don't eat it. Unless you have salads and grass. So, whatever. Right, I'll do that function. I'll put it in shared. Shared can eat. SH can eat.
I think someone's game mode is going to be like a total wipeout.
That will be fun. That'd be like well no, that'd be like just like Wario, whatever it's called.
Yeah, I was thinking more. There's another game. Actually, yeah, Wario is very similar.
My game mode, just Josh sent that.
Yeah, you checked the demo.
Yeah, I was just, where have you got this from? And we went, oh, Bouncy Castle Network. I'm going to trigger you, but I'm gonna.
Oh boy. You just posted that, didn't you?
What?
Yeah, you just posted it. Thanks. Thanks for that, Anthony. I do like that. Okay. Have you pushed those updates? I don't remember.
Yeah, I pushed all of them. I've not done the can eat though.
Okay, cool. Don't worry about that. I'm just gonna.
I'm about to do it though, so.
Just so I can. Okay, so it wants me to commit them. Great. Can I undo my changes to that? So food shared. Let's just replace that to equals 0. I did that anyway. Does that remove this one? Nope.
No.
There's an extra space there. There you go. That's why. And then this is base cell init lower, which is wrong. There you go.
Do you want the food table to be global? The food type table to be global.
Not sure. Alright, food table. Which one?
Yeah, like the food type, like
type. It doesn't need to be because we're gonna have a meta function.
True. It's well carnivore, right? Except you missed the E.
Okay, cool. You should know.
Wait, do I have to put plant is equal to false or no?
No, because it's not defined in the table. It will default to nil, and if you just use an if statement. Also, I think it'll probably be better to have like meat and plant than carnivore, omnivore, and herbivore. Because then you'll end up with omnivore having plant and food twice. Where if we do just the food types, it will actually be less tables. Or less code, memory, space.
Can you give me an example?
Huh? I probably should actually add like 5 to this or something.
Can you give an example of what you meant? I don't know.
Oh no. I need to add I can't just add up, I need to self get angles
Check what I just put in the Garry's Mod Gaming competition.
I am gonna probably.
Everyone's questioning me now.
No, that really does not sound like.
Kind of does.
It doesn't sound at all. It's it was more like it's. So what he's going with is he's going with a hub server and then going to have mini game servers attached to it. Is what he's going to have. That's what he said that I think yesterday. Okay, and am I lagging a bit? How many frames? 20 frames. Why are my frames so low today? Maybe it's this map. Okay, have you done the collision movement?
Yes.
Yeah, I am using it.
People in your chat.
Are they? Okay, I might want to load that up then, because I have not got that. Currently open. Where is it? Is this revision?
Yes.
Yes. I'm revising for computer science, which I have totally.
Oh, that was an hour ago. I think they're gone.
Yeah, he probably is. I don't care. I haven't got timestamps on. Let me put timestamps on actually.
Yeah, it's just like the little 3 dots.
And let's just pop that out. No, not that. Yep, there. All timestamps. Yeah, you're on here, going. I can see you. Okay. Yeah, so currently we have a very... I probably should just turn off... I'm just going to turn off Discord notifications at this point. Yeah, so... Currently we've got a very... very messed up. There's a very strange collisions at the moment, so things aren't colliding properly, as you can see here. I probably need to redo the calc view, I think, is actually... I might want to do that. Anyway, am I still getting the errors because of the stats? Have you updated the stats, Anthony?
What do you mean?
Like, have you fixed the stats?
What's this for?
You know how we had...
yes.
Okay, cool. I'm going to commit...
Also, can you give me... no.
Okay, I'm just going to be pushing.
Can you give me an example of the added...
example for what?
The table. I don't know what you wanted.
What was this for, other than just table? I don't remember what we were talking about before.
Oh.
21 files, we've had an extra file added.
That was me. Okay. Yes, you are.
Yeah, I think I've already responded to that. That was... Okay, I've got 3 tags now. Not important. Actually, that one might be. Checkster. Okay, got a little error. Yep, in meat. Did you... You broke something. Or I might have... I think one of us broke something.
I've broke I broke my atom again. It's always useful.
Yep. Okay, so...
Nothing's wrong with
So this is mine... Because you set it before it was defined, you numpty. Look at when variables are defined and don't just post them where you think they should go. This is in... Yep. Okay, I'm going to push that update. Moving...
Touch. You're like...
Okay. so I need to pull. Oh. What did you change something?
Yeah, can
Okay, well I'm pushing an update.
Yeah, it's fine. Got it.
People followed code blue. Okay,
Local changes. I don't have any changes to it though, do I? Is this base cell?
there's probably
Init dollar. I don't even have an init dollar or a base cell. I don't even have one. It's like,
Okay.
yeah, you'll override changes. I don't have any. I don't even have one yet.
Yeah, and that might have been me because I updated.
Yeah, I did tell you to wait. Just saying.
Okay, they're floating now. We've got floating things. Let's see, how goes the hit tracing? Okay, got errors. Stats is still an error, so I'm just going to fix that now. That was in SH hunger. This was line 28. Oh, I see.
Well, what's what we want?
There's another one as well. So actually, because so if self.stats, so actually there's we also need to put in all the get functions as well. Because it's failing.
Can you do that while I'm
Yeah,
trying
I'll
to
do that.
fix my atom? It's my fault that it's doing this. Like, it's not
Okay.
atom. I'm not
Okay,
smashing
I'm
atom.
going to be updating a bunch of files. So anything which is any function which is player metatable orientated, I'm updating. Can eat. That's a new one. Yeah, I'm gonna. So basically, what I was saying for the can eat function is instead of having it as carnivore, omnivore, and herbivore, you have it as meat and not meat, and maybe fungus or something.
Fungus. Do you mean bacteria?
No, fungus. Fungus. You got protist or protease, fungus and bacteria.
Yeah, do you want to make that table? I'm around there for this.
Uh,
I'm not trying to. I just. I accidentally force pushed
you don't.
some.
You don't have to use that invisible. I mean, you can. It's just because I mean, yeah, it is better to attach it to a table, because therefore it means that it's a lot harder for other people to override. So it really depends. But if it's attached to a table, it becomes slower. So I mean, it depends on how fast. Fast you kind of want it to be. Okay, that should be update. Is your atom fixed yet, or?
Yes.
I just gone into my game mode and edited them, so I'm going to test it in here. Yeah, there you go. That now works. Where am I? There is my head. Okay, yeah, there you go. It now gets smaller as I eat it. And there you go. Yep, it's now successfully removed itself once it got down to 0 food. So.
I'm listening to Discord or was it Disco or audio?
Yep, okay. Yeah,
but then I'm looking at the stream, so it's delayed as hell.
Yeah, it probably is fairly delayed.
I'm like, so it gets smaller, you're still in Notepad.
Yeah, it gets smaller, gets smaller, gets smaller. Okay, that one seems.
You're still in Notepad. What are you saying?
Yeah, okay, this one seems a bit strange. Still need to fix the movement thing.
Editor has crashed atom.
Okay.
Sounds great.
Yeah.
That's what you want to do with your text editor.
Yeah. Okay, so I think probably now I'm just gonna set up a simple HUD. For now.
I wanted to do the HUD.
Yeah.
Fine.
I'm saying I'm setting up a. Why did you do an That's a weird name you gave it, and you put it in a HUD.add function.
Did I?
Yeah. You did it in a hook.
Yeah.
You're working with a game mode. We don't
Oh
need
god,
that.
I'm doing game mode.
Yeah. I mean, I'm just gonna add a paint. what am I going to call it? Ping. What? Let's call it stats. Let's go with. Okay, so I'm thinking. What are you thinking? Top left, or where do you think the HUD should be?
Everywhere. Just everywhere. Yeah, we get the screen height and then we cycle through it until we've covered every inch in our with OGC.
That just sounds really bad.
So it covers every inch of your screen with OGC.
Yeah, no, let's not go with that.
No, but
yeah. I'm just gonna put it in top left for now. I'm just gonna do.
Yeah, I was also thinking top left.
Okay, cool. I'm just gonna be doing simple. Okay, so what other stats we have?
Also, just letting you know, I did use the MIT license.
Okay, you should know I don't know licenses, so I think I'm currently editing directly. Okay, so currently only have hunger. What else? So there's hunger. Oh yeah, we also have oxygen as well. So let me think. Oxygen.
We've got hunger, oxygen,
temperature.
pH.
Oh yeah, pH as well. Temperature, pH, hunger. Food we don't really need to put in there. So actually, yeah, we'll put food in there as well. So oxygen, temperature, pH, hunger, food. Anything else? DNA points.
Oh yes, DNA
sure,
points.
DNA points. DNA points will probably just be a draw.simple text.
Hunger, food. Yeah, food. You put food. It's
yeah.
Is that it? Right. Let me just go through everything we have. Are we gonna have like mass?
Mouse.
Mass. MASS.
It would be interesting to see how you'd calculate that out, but surely that would just be using scale, which I'm pretty sure. Didn't I already create a? Yeah, I created a 1 at 0.5 times level or food level.
The amount of times I have cloned this GitHub project today.
Yeah, well, we have been pushing a lot of updates to it.
Well, no, it's not just that. It's because when it breaks, I delete the project from Atom and I have to clone it again.
Okay, so.
Well, we've done 54 commits in one day.
Yeah, nice. Local ox is equal to. So oxygen should. Yeah, we do need to start working on the round functionality as well.
Can you do that?
Yeah, I'm currently working in single player. However, it will be a multiplayer game.
Yeah, I'm running it on a server to make sure it works.
Yeah, so he's running it on a server to make sure we're networking all the files correctly. I'm working on a single player server just because easy, and so I don't have random people joining me while I'm working on it because there's a few.
Well, I've not put forward in mine. I'm just doing it.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just going with. I usually do P2P when I set up a server because it works exactly the same way.
Yep.
Surface dot draw rect.
What was I doing? I was doing cannon.
40.
Still haven't got this table example I've been waiting on.
Is that all I need for draw rect? I don't remember. Or do I need to set a colour? Yeah, okay, I do need to set a draw colour.
Then why are you defining it directly on the player with .stats then? We're defining it directly on the player so that it saves to the player instead of making it a global table. We don't want.
It basically just means it's easier to call. However, you're right. We could just use a get function.
Check the.
Oh, actually no. We're defining it on the player actually because in a table just so it's all in. Yeah, it's just all in the same place. But we do have meta functions as well.
Yeah, like get oxygen.
Which you see here, so you've got like get oxygen, as Anthony was saying. Here you've got get hunger. So like this is attached to the player meta table, and this one just isn't because oxygen isn't. Oxygen is part of the environment.
Yeah, and so is pH.
Yeah. Okay. So. I mean, probably oxygen should just be like 30 or something. Yeah, stats network. So you can, if you have a look in this one here, you can see that we do a net dot read double and write doubles. So we're networking it all over. So and we're so how we currently have it is that it's only privatized to players. So only the local player gets the information. Okay, so that's the oxygen bar.
I was going to make an entity for something, but I completely forgot what it was. Let me check our document. I'll probably jog my memory somewhere.
Okay.
Oxygen.
Okay, what should be the maximum for oxygen? We probably need to define a maximum for oxygen and things like that.
Hold on.
Yeah, what do you think oxygen? What should the max and min be?
Maximum.
I say min should be.
Minimum should be 0.
Yeah, 0 and max.
Max should be 200 parts per million.
Let's just go with 200.
Well, 200 parts per million is just 2.
So we need to. Probably should only clamp that once. So amount equal to math. We probably need to clamp everything as well. To the whole, to a min and a max range. It's dangerous in the sense no, because they never send information to the server. So we stored it on the player metatable, but they never get to set it themselves. If you have a look at this code, no, this one in here,
whenever trusting
you
the
can
client.
see that there's only a net.receive on player side. So this on client side, I mean. So in the client realm, they can only receive information. So yes, they can override it, the looks of it. However, the core functionality of everything else, so anything which controls how they're going to die, things like that, or if they need to eat, is stored server side. So there shouldn't be.
Still waiting on that table example.
Yeah, so there's only going to be one time, to my knowledge, that I can think of at the top of my head, where we're remotely trusting the player at all, and that's when they're going to be sending over a number from a derma panel to add an adaptation, or a few numbers to add an adaptation to their model. So if we just put checks on that net.receive server side, we should be fine. Because
also for that, instead of doing multiple models, I think we should just do models.
I mean, we probably should have different models, just because.
Also, is there going to be like a nice swimming animation for it?
Hawk can't animate, so the likelihood is that I'm gonna have. He can't also do bone structures either, so I'm probably gonna have to do the bone structures for that. And then.
Why don't you just like get Riddick to sneak us an animation? It's
Yeah.
like in a shady alleyway. So he has.
Yeah, but I'm still waiting for the rest of
animations.
my animations from Reddick. So, but then
Sure.
maybe I can give some incentive, like maybe pay or something. Okay, so I also need to do tab menu. So tab menu. Okay.
Yeah, Riddick's doing some animations. Well, a few animations for me for free.
Yeah, he's got a few. He's doing a few for me as well.
No, because as long as one turn, he can use it. Because I'm getting a model made by Hawk, which is a droid breaching whole thing, and he's been looking for one for ages. So he said, "Yeah, I'll animate it as long as I can use it on PL." I'm like, "Sure, as long as it's not on the workshop, I'm good. I'm happy with it."
Okay, turns 100, and then I probably want to draw a black line behind that, don't I? So should I make this a? I probably will make it a render function.
Well, it's all going to be changed.
Yeah, well, I'm all going with like a render.
I'm just gonna redo it.
Okay, because I mean, I know I've got an idea for what I want the textures to be.
God, I remember when Spore was like one of the only games I watched, like on YouTube and all that.
Yeah.
And it was like in 2008 and all that. Oh, but
Yeah.
it was like £30 and all that, but now it's only like a fiver.
Yeah, it's like a fiver. It's
Or from G2A on any console, PC, anything, it's literally £4. And it got a 9 out of 10 on Steam, so that's why it did so well. So it got quite a nice. Yeah, also, if anyone couldn't tell, it's based off sport. You couldn't tell for some reason.
yeah, it's not that clear at the moment. So this is font. Let's just use Derma default for now until we have our own fonts. Position.
I'll find a nice one. I think I would got a nice one.
Should be 40.
It's got to be free for it. It's got to be okay.
Yeah, font needs to be, of course, be open source.
Yeah.
Positioning should be 40. No, 55.
Spore uses a.
Let's try not to
A
copy
HUD.
Spore.
Oh no, I'm not.
Possible.
I'm not saying that. No, I'm just saying what they do.
Because
They have,
I'm
like,
okay. Oxygen. Oh wait, no, it's not 100. It's 40. It's 90. There you go. I probably shouldn't go with white. Let's go.
No, I was just going to say Spore has a HUD that's on the bottom of the screen, so deviate from the bottom as much as possible.
I was thinking I was going to put HUD elements, not HUD elements, abilities on the bottom.
Oh, on the bottom? Yeah, that's fine. That was the only problem. Like an ability bar.
I was more going with like Robot Boy lightsaber kind of icons is what I was going with, and then have a form of, because I was thinking a very polygon kind of style HUD. So kind of like you have a black outline and then you do I think it's a Meshify or something. Okay, there you go. So level of oxygen is by default 100. Then we need to so I'm just trying to think of how much. I just want to see my hunger. I want to physically see my hunger actually changing the server side to make sure network client side make sure hunger is working. So the next one I'll do is hunger. So look.
Well, can I have that thing called a table?
Is it get hunger? I don't even remember the fact.
Yes, it is.
Okay, cool. I mean, you did make the meta function for that. Okay, so maximum for hunger was. I'm editing these all in the game mode file again.
Oh my god! Just get the git, delete it from your like hard drive, and just get the git and clone it into the game mode folder so you can work off the game mode folder like I am.
Yeah, I'll just copy and paste it over.
And then redo it because.
No, I'm just going to copy and paste the files I'm editing. Because I'm only editing a few, and you're not updating them, so that's all right. Okay, I'll then. You never set hunger server side. So I see what Invisible Mario is talking about here. You forget to set it server side. So we are actually trusting them there. I'll check through the other code, see if you've made the same mistake.
Well, if it's from hunger, then I probably have because it's only
because didn't you basically copy and paste most of these?
I actually completely copied and pasted that one.
I don't think we really need a min, but I'll go with a min anyway.
A what? A min for what?
Like anything, because it should be fairly. Actually, I suppose pH will go down to -15.
What?
Did you not know there are acids? I think it's -15 is the strongest acid.
It's not. It's 0.
No.
No, 1 maybe.
No, you've got there's -5 definitely. pH.
-18. Sorry, carborane.
Yeah. See.
God. Strongest pH alkaline is 7. No, it's not.
Yeah, because basically anything which is less than 1 is called a superacid.
Yeah. Well, you just get taught in school that it's like okay, what? Yeah, you just get taught that the lowest is 0.
Oh, I got told that they do go into the minus values.
I've never known that till then.
Really?
Yeah, we've not been taught to fix the school curriculum star for teacher 2K18.
Yeah, the school curriculum is a bit messed up. Yeah, there you go. You've messed up with food as well.
Yeah, well, no, I told you, I like, Congo was the base one, I told you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, may you also suggest TD lib? No, you may not.
Uh.
We had that discussion before. Yeah, see, Josh Evans agrees with me. He
So
got
in
told
my
that they go
opinion,
to
there's
zero.
no need for TDlib because it's a useless library. Oh, well, it's not even a library. It's just a file. Because what it does is it just basically adds in functions which I don't think it even properly adds in functions. It kind of half-asses, I think, some of the things it adds in. And in general, with HUD elements, I can make them just as well as TDlib without having to work with a foreign module.
You don't, that element.
So in my opinion, there's no point in TDlib.
I believe 14 is the highest alkali.
I don't believe there are any super alkalis.
What's such a super alkali? Super base.
Yeah, probably would be a super base.
Okay, so minus 18 to 14.
Yep, I can do that. Oh, okay, so
I'm thinking of acid rain. So that should be an event.
I keep thinking, yeah,
happen.
acid rain, yeah.
Because that's how the pH of the water. So you start slowly losing health until you build up like an immunity to it, like you get an ability.
Well, not really immunity. It's going to be there's going to be things which. Oh, I am really hungry.
What do you mean? In real life?
Well, yeah, I am a bit hungry at the moment. But I'm talking about the.
Let me close my blinds.
Oh, so that's what's happening. So these are becoming less and less favourable. Less model scale? No, that wouldn't be it because it's not based off of model scale. I don't think. No, it's a vector. It's still here.
What? What are you talking about here?
The food doesn't seem to want to be going at the moment.
Yeah, I know that. Didn't do that for me either. Just went like that and stayed there.
Maybe I've missed the trace. I think I need to improve the tracing on it because I think it's currently a point.
You do.
Yeah, there you go. See, it's a trace.
I use my crosshair to aim on it.
Okay. I think the best method is keep looking at it with your crosshair.
And then slowly fade towards it. It's like I like dynamic effects like that. Just go slowly, gradually go slower, like you can.
Yeah, I mean it's very simple. It's just a simple network var notify.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
It's
yeah, I looked at the code. Okay.
Not network var, and yeah, no, it is network var, not an end.
Yeah,
I was about to say, did I just say NW var?
Yes, you did.
No, I'm pretty sure I said network var, not NW var. I hope I didn't. I'm not using any NW vars before.
I'm going to go back in this stream.
Before any developers, which are like me and hate NW vars with a passion, throw out.
Like how Miles said, okay, I'm going to set a reminder for 1 PM, half an hour later.
Now I'm really confused because this is at 90 and this is at 55, not 90. That was moved to 90.
Well, what's the maximum of hunger you can have?
Hunger, I think I've set to 100. Okay, cool. Thanks. So I didn't give. I was nice. I didn't say that.
Oh, alright. I thought you said NW.
Thank goodness.
Wait, we can always go back into the. We can always go back into.
Yeah, we can always go back in the stream because I mean, I literally I was being lazy yesterday and trying to get away with using an NW var, and because of the speed of it compared to NetLibrary, by the time that the animation that I was running had finished playing, the client finally got the network message telling it to stop the player's movement.
Yeah.
So.
Still waiting for that cable.
This is not. This should become. It is 40 at 50, which becomes 90 at 15. Yeah, 15. So that becomes 105, I think. Yeah, there you go, 105, and then rename that to hung. So hunger is now 79. Okay. Yeah, still need to fix the calc view.
Yeah, you said you would.
Yeah, because it looks like the calc view has been affected by the actual models and things, so that when they hit, I might look into how it's actually done. I mean, I suppose I can use eye angles that work. Basically, because eye angles are, I think eye angles are how the current thing works. So I do also need to fix speed. So speed, and then the calc view. Okay, so I might do the calc view now. What are the arguments going for calc view? I do not remember. Nor can I spell calc view. Player pause. What is player in this instance? That's what I'm more concerned about. Because is this another one of those functions where...
Yeah, it says it draws the local player and sets
I got that much.
behind.
Oh my goodness, it's one of them.
What?
It's like bind press. It literally has a useless argument in it because it's client side. So no matter what, player, PLY, or the player argument, is always the same as local player.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need, okay, and then I return a table. Okay, let's just do that. Local view, call that. Return view, view dot position is equal to player. We never set that server side, did we?
Is your indent 4, by the way? The
Of
tab
course it's
size.
4. It's lower. Why wouldn't it be 4?
Well, Atom default was 2. I was like,
Yeah,
what the hell is this?
so sublime, but if it's lower, it should always be 4, not 2.
I don't get the point
So
why different languages have
bug, not a bug, but I found an issue with our current code. I don't believe we ever set the thingy. Okay, there's also another issue in add food, or was food fixed by you? I don't remember.
I think you fixed it.
Okay,
You never pushed it. So working out
calm it down.
I'm also,
Go
again,
there.
still waiting for the table.
Oh yeah, yeah. Sorry about that.
Just like, I just need one example, like just one value as an example.
Okay. And didn't I not? I thought I DM'd it. Not DM'd it. I put it in general.
No, you did one of them, but then
Yeah.
you said not to not use that one.
Oh yeah. Okay. I'll copy ID. I'll edit it. So I meant like you have meat. I wrote matter again. So you have meat, and then you have.
And then it does carnivore and.
Carnivore. Is it an E on
It
the
has
end?
an E. Yes, it has an E there.
So like that.
No. Wait for it to load. Wait for the stream to. Carnivore. No.
You should know by now. Spelling is not my strongest aspect.
Also, get this.
Mm-hmm.
Discord has spell check.
Yeah, it was updated ages ago.
Yeah, I know. But then you just said, is that how you spell it? It's like,
I
yes,
don't.
you
It
know.
doesn't do it in a code block,
yes, it does.
does it?
It just did it. When you were typing it then, it just did it.
You're right. It does.
I know.
I didn't even notice that.
I just watched it do it as you typed it.
I didn't notice that at all. Okay, what's this? PH. I haven't set the caps for that yet, but that is pH.
Although, like the logical thing is not to have it. You know, the logical thing is not to have it like that. Like in code blocks, it should be spelling and check.
Yeah.
But meh.
That looks like that's an old version. I'm just gonna close all these for now.
You put 50 and it's 14 for the max pH.
Huh?
You put in pH you put I believe you put
Okay.
negative yeah. Did you put negative 18 or 15?
18.
Yeah, it's good then. Good.
Okay. Oxygen is, this is the module I'm looking for. Oxygen, not I don't know, how did I just say module? Yeah, I need to fix my
English.
yeah, my English a bit. Okay, so that one's dealt with. Food has that, but hasn't got a max and a. There's not going to be a max or a min for food. Well, actually, there will be, but that will be based off of the algorithm. Okay, I'm going to create a the function of player meta get food level or just get level. Get food level. Okay. What style of level system are we going to do? Are we going to do the XP taken away or the XP continuous?
What?
So as I was explaining earlier, so some level systems, when you get to the next level, they take away all the XP and set it back to 0.
Oh.
And then the other method is you just have a continuous thing.
Yeah, I get what you mean. Like it constantly, like
Yeah.
when you reach, like for example, 100, your XP stays 100, and you're upgraded to level 2, for example. But then the bar extends to 200. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't mind. Whatever's.
Okay, I'm going to go with a continuous XP system would be easier. Can I find my corruption and corruption file? Just because I cannot remember how I did that before. That's a bunch of random files. Net corruption. Is this it? Do I have my code in here? Oh, I'm still printing stuff in there. This doesn't have my algorithm in it. I thought I would have set it. Okay, and that's what the code I have. So that's been. Okay. Oh, this is me attempting to. I remember what I was doing there. Okay. Yeah, you can deal with that one. DA points. I'll just close all of this. Okay. How many people are currently watching? Let's see. 3.
Top 6 or something.
Okay, I see 3 at the moment. So probably what it is. Okay. The environment is defined in a thing, so that's not an issue. Wins max. Nope. Okay, hunger have I defined? Hunger min max, yeah. Food, I just need to. I'm working on. I'm not working on this one. I was working on another file. Great. Function player meta get food level. Okay. I think I'm just gonna switch back to just that one. For now, while I go into my FileZilla and find my corruption file. Actually, I suppose I do have a Python version, so if I can use that one instead. Because I was basically messing with the algorithm yesterday. I think was it yesterday when I was dealing with corruption? I don't even remember now. Let's see. Last Friday, so not yesterday. That's when I was working on the corruption algorithm. Gamemode, Gamemode, that, Gamemode, where would that even be saved? Oh, there you go, it's under SQL. I have lots of random print statements in here. Okay, so this is the algorithm. Nope, not streaming. Scene 2. Okay. Let's just close that. Okay, so do not need that. Should I keep it the same leveling algorithm? I think it
that
goes
one
like,
that you proposed in the doc.
no, that was a scaling thing.
Oh, right.
Okay,
Yeah, if you want.
so thankfully I don't need to deal with absolute values. So I don't need to do, I don't think I need my whole side system either. I can just return a value. Which is x. There you go. So x becomes level. So the algorithm. Okay, so this is then. Oh, this might be a bit too sharp now that I think about. How did? Where did I put the print for this? I think I put that in the other one. I don't know. That's gonna be, yeah. There you go. So this one I believe is this code. But no, it's 8. It goes 827. No, it's this one. This is the algorithm for that one. So I think I'm going to put this to the power of 2. There you go. That'll work. Why don't I just do abs? It's well, no, it's none. Okay, there you go. So food level I can now use. Get food returns 0 or something else, and then now I need to make it so that food goes up. Okay, where is the HUD? HUD's in this one. Oh, so you can delete the file, or have you already deleted that?
What, sorry?
The just random file you put in.
What's this? Oh, is this the weapons one? Or what one?
Well, not weapons, because we haven't.
Under server or client?
Client, because I still got that on my side, though I'm not sure if that's just because it's.
I've removed it, but
okay,
you're probably looking
yeah,
at the game.
it's probably because I still. I know it's gone in. This one. Okay, so I can read. I just paste that there. Okay, so now.
I'm committing something. It's removing the weapons folder.
Okay, cool. That doesn't affect anything for me.
Committed right about.
Okay, I'm just going to put this in the middle of my screen for now. And this is LVL. Okay, also, does anyone who's currently watching have any nice level algorithms?
I have the wall toss one.
Yeah, but the wheel toss one, yeah, it's a bit exponential, I think, for me. Because you want to keep it fairly low. Anyway, what was I going to do? I don't remember now. I was working off that. Okay, yeah, now I remember the eating function. Okay, I'm updating the entity base cell. Yeah, and let's add. Is it add food?
Add food or add hunger. It's basically
yeah,
whatever you're doing. Whatever you're doing, it's
yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Look, it's basically like a network var and an entity. You put add by your name.
Yeah, a network file. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
DNA, pH, etc.
Stats. Food equal number, and there's no cap to number. Okay, so I haven't got a thing here. We probably will need to go back and forth through the code. So do you know when Sana's getting on? Because I feel like we've got a fair bit of it coded, and I think you might feel a bit left out. Okay. I just realised should you still be able to eat? Well, yeah, actually, yeah, that's stupid. Of course, you can still eat. Okay, so get food level. Do I see this? No, I haven't pushed up to my side. No. Gamemode. Okay, and I'll yeah. Is the count view in this HUD? Yes, it is. So view position is equal to okay. That's how it works. Okay. Entities, space entity, select. Don't need any of that. If local player is equal to self get player, then local player dot fake entity is equal to self. Yeah, this in theory it could be where an exploit could be found. Is here.
What, sorry?
The fake entity. Get pause.
Oh, yeah.
Add player get eye angles forward tie. I think I need to divide minus this, don't I? And is it just eye angles? Eye angles, yeah.
Is it just triangles? Maybe.
Triangles? What are you doing about triangles? There you go. I think that's all I need to change. I think everything else I can just have view.angles is equal to angles, and then view.fov is equal to FOV. Now that should work, and then just copy and paste those two over. So I go into there. See, that's not right. That's still not. That's going off something else. Is that? Does that use a different calc view or something? Is that? That's a GitHub version, isn't it? Yep. Okay. Looks like it uses a different GitHub. Not GitHub. Calc view. Interesting. I need to look into this. See what's the problem. Is it that, or I need to restart my game? Let's try restart my game before I jump to conclusions. Oh, error. Print table in client side HUD. There you go. That's a very. Oh, this seems different. However, we do have error. Get food level is a nil value. Did I not update that? Yeah, get food level. That's there. Or is there an error in here? That's the error. Okay, I'm going to push a bunch of updates out. I'm just going to call so pH, oxygen, hunger, food, updates. Okay, what did you update? Alright, I don't remember. And when do you need to go? At what time? Also?
What, sorry?
At what time do you need to go?
For the meeting, miles?
Yeah, but when?
I don't know. It was supposed to be an hour ago now.
Okay, cool. I haven't. That reminds me, I need to meet him at some point. I haven't. They haven't done yet.
He's not even started yet. Let me check.
Okay, so get food level is still
He
an
has
issue.
started. He started about it.
The HUD. Let's go with it's not updating. That's what I'm going to assume. Because get food level is definitely a thing here. I don't think I'm getting any errors, but it's actually a bit hard to tell. So, yep, still getting the error. table expected, so I just need to go here and delete that, don't I? Yeah, there you go. That's fixed it. But I don't have the thing in the middle of my screen. Did I mess up the drawing of that then? Screen divided by screen, red. It is red, so it might be about... Oh wait, no. Whoa, what is it doing that? Oh, screen width. Do screen height there. Okay, so currently I have a level of 0. Okay, that's understandable. Did I add to this that I probably do need to return the difference as well, don't I? Do I want to return none? Yeah, I'll return none. And then I can work out a bar for this. Okay, so... food. So this is level, and val is XP to next level. Next level. So I do both of these. So this is food minus food. No, I need last, and then last level. I probably should have the arrow installed as just a function, shouldn't I? And then why not? Let's return. Let's not return that. Let's return. So it should be x add 1 to the power of 2. Let's go with x add 1 to the power of 2. That was right. Yeah, that should be right. Okay, now it's back to the HUD. So we've got last level. So here we do food minus last level. Oh, last level. And now we do next level minus last level. And that should now work. And instead of 50, we had 100. We also need to fix the plant underscore food, don't we? This does not seem to update. And I need to stop that print. That's going to cause some fun errors. Did something go wrong? 24.
Oh, sorry?
Something went wrong with my code.
Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to do the routine.
Okay, cool. For unexpected symbol. Okay, string. That's slightly bizarre. Still getting this strange symbol, unexpected symbol near. 24 though, which is this line. I might again just have to restart this. There you go, so that's in, but then this HUD isn't. I suppose it could, I suppose XP is at 0, isn't it? So it might just not show. So there you go, XP is at I did not copy that over. That is slightly strange. Yeah, very strange. No, oh no, it is there now. But it is 0. Okay, so also in here, then if player click entity, then return end. If not, therefore preventing the failure from the looks of that. This doesn't print anymore, so it looks like it's no longer auto refreshing, which is very annoying. Yeah, there you go. So we've got 0, 0. So if I eat a bit of food there, that goes up. This does not. So I don't think I'm adding food at the moment. So okay, so I do add food, but I never added an amount. Is it like 0.5 food or something? Okay, 0.5. Actually, this shouldn't be even updating. I didn't copy and paste. And that's probably what we need to find, so... And probably the next thing I need to do is actually do proper collisions. Is it still 0 there?
Okay.
Okay, you're back, are you?
Yeah.
Okay, we probably need to start doing proper collisions on the models.
Probably you next, by the way. It took me a while enough to stop the stream for it.
Huh?
Then it's probably you next.
Yeah, I mean, it's not too hard, it's just basically at the moment I'm using boxes.
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah, so I'm using boxes for collisions, which are fairly obviously not what we're wanting to have. Oh, it seems... Nope, it does not seem better. Okay, look it up. Yeah, we probably want a... then once we have proper collisions in, then I'll probably start working on a proper box trace instead of a single trace like the one we have at the moment.
Yeah. What would you say the progress is on this? Is it like 50%?
Well, we haven't even gotten into modification of the creature yet.
True. So it's probably about like 40 to 50% done.
So I think we have a lot of the core functions and things like that in. We've got core features, things like that, but we haven't even got any of the game rounds in the events. So things like that.
Yeah, like meteor shower. Well, we need a model for the meteor and that, won't we?
No, we don't.
We don't. Oh, it's going to use scaled up wood bait.
No, you've got. There's already. There's a meteor effect, which we can use. Well, it's not. I mean, there's an entity which we use. If I remember correctly, I can probably find it. Oh, there you go. There's the bug.
What's the bug?
There's a bug in food, which is why my food was not working. Then now I'm confused on why I didn't get the... Did I accidentally make this B2P or something? No, strange.
Can I start working on the MySQL?
Well, there's, what do we need for the... What? Oh, why are we working?
Like just saving.
Because I thought I thought the only possible SQL we were going to have would have been server set.
What, sorry?
Okay, yeah, there you go. Now food is starting to go up. Okay, cool. There you go. So let me move that into there now. So there is no text or anything saying anything. It's just, yeah. Let's just keep that there. Okay, so oxygen is somewhere. Where's that? There it is. So this should now go to 90 and let's do 105 at 55. I should be able to work that out easily in my head. Okay, and copy, paste. And this is not being updated. And now I also don't need this print in here either. But yep, do that. Okay, so I'll probably start working on the HUD elements. Now then.
I want to do the HUD, but okay.
I was going with I was going with the HUD textures and stuff.
Oh, like the actual textures of like making of them.
Yeah.
Oh right, yeah, you can do that.
Because I don't believe you can. Yeah, you might want. Okay, give me the once you start working on the HUD, which I'll probably push what I have of the HUD at the moment, and then leave you to do that. All right. Yeah. So you got oxygen. Oh yeah, we also need to do health.
Well, we can always use the base player health.
Yeah, we probably can use the base player health as well then.
And how about like, you know, how you can get a disease?
Yeah, the diseases are just going to be they're just going to be... They're not a thing you can survive, a disease. It's
I was thinking of like having an immune system, like a boosted one, which gives you a less like...
Yeah, I mean, maybe we could have an immune system. Okay.
Like the base one is non-existent, and then you'll get like an improved one, which reduces your chance, and like, etc.
Okay, so okay, so what I'm thinking for hunger is what we could possibly do is have a thing where it pays attention to kind of how quickly you've been moving over the last kind of couple of minutes or so.
Yeah, so like...
Which I mean, it would make the function more intensive and stuff. So it's very much kind of, do you want that? And I will now also start working on the whole approaching to...
What's the max hunger? Is it 100?
Huh?
What's the max hunger? Is there 100?
Hunger, I think 100. Probably. Let's see. Well, yeah. Hey, look, it's looking like it's.
I think it is, but
That looks like what it should be.
yeah.
Yeah. Look at that. This should definitely get us up to 100, and that looks like full. Yeah. There you go. See, 100.
I still
And I'm level 6.
What do you mean hunger levels? Just levels.
Food.
Food levels.
So the number of things I've eaten has given me has got to me level 6. Okay, and now I need to fix.
You should be able to maybe get like an ability where you eat faster.
Yeah.
Speed eating.
Self.speed is equal to math.approach. Self.speed. Is it approach?
Just tell you right now.
Is that the thing I want?
Math.approach. Number, the current number, the target number, then change. That's the syntax.
No, that's not what I'm wanting.
Right. I think it is.
Not really, because if it's greater than 1, then great. So else math at speed 0, and then target. Okay, according to this, it makes no difference if it's positive or negative. So
How do you get negative speed?
by going backwards.
Oh. Oh yeah, of course.
Stupid, Anthony.
Yeah, I wasn't thinking.
Yeah.
I forgot you can move backwards in a game. It's a miracle.
Oh, wow.
I've always wondered what WASD is. I've always used WA and D, but I've never used S.
Okay, so is this slowly getting slower? I mean, it's getting microscopically slowing down, so this may take a long time to slow down. So I mean, I'm wanting it to be pretty instant. That's pretty damn instant.
So basically, it's like a car. They go fast, then they hit the brake. They slowly go down. It's pretty much instant.
No, it's actually I want them to stop quickly. I'm going to make them stop double the normal speed. Okay.
No. Did you get plant matter working? Oh wait, no, I've not even finished plant matter.
Yeah, we need to fix the plant matter.
I just need to copy the food.
You just need to copy the food. Okay, let's see. Can I move the same? Can I go backwards as well? Yeah, I can go backwards. And does it stop? Yeah, it looks like it. Which is good enough for me. Okay. Okay, so that's done. That's done. What collisions? What are the things? Is it like physics in it or something?
What's this one?
Like generalized prop stuff.
I believe so.
Let me just load up another add-on. Entity star. There you go. Star Meteor. Speak of the devil. Yeah. I literally just use a props underscore junk underscore rock. Pretty much. is how it works. So okay, so then I took the type. Okay, there you go. Cool. Let's hope this doesn't break anything. Alright, fuck, I just deleted some code I didn't need to. Okay, so let's have a look at this just so I can get an understanding. So put that over there. Collision group I'm going to keep for now. That I'll remove.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to update plant. Not plant, I'm going to update and meat, and then you can do that as well. Okay, and now I go back to scene 2. There you go, star meteor, don't need that. There you go, don't need that either. Okay, so now if I go back in here. Okay, I'm gonna go with that most people have. So back down to 2 people watching it, which is probably you and are you watching it? Yeah, there you go. So these now actually have a these seem like they have an actual mesh to them now. But this still seems way too slow. Why am I editing there? Let's try a 4. Should be able to work that out, right? Why am I just copying that? Why am I copying that one either? Oh boy. Okay, I'm gonna be posting some stuff in a bit. So, are you editing any files? So fixing collisions. Cool. Yeah, fixing collisions. Adding food and HUD and slowing down. And auto slowing down. Did that update? That updated. Cool. Okay, I don't think the collision gets changed, so when the model gets scaled up, so I'll make that happen. in the food? Anthony, you there? Okay, he went at some point. I don't remember when he went. This is slightly embarrassing. How long has this stream been going on for? That's not the one I meant to go to. It only has an hour history on it. Got 2 hour history on it. Okay, so now trace. That's just going to make tracing so much harder. Okay, so are you getting any closer? Doesn't seem like it. I'm not too fast. Okay, now I just need to do the hunger as well. Hunger shouldn't be too hard to do. And I think I'm gonna stop getting left today. Okay. Don't even remember if I updated that now. Okay, that's the end of that.